I'm honored to be here to witness the signing of this historic agreement. On behalf of the government and the people of Rwanda, I congratulate President Nyusi and Mozambican government, as well as the leadership of RENAMO, for successfully concluding the peace talks. This achievement matters to all of us in Africa. It shows that we can find solutions to our problems, no matter how protracted and difficult. Dialogue and inclusion cannot be imposed from anywhere else, and once consensus is reached, it can only be sustained from within.